Let's learn how feminine sound plurals, jama, muannas salim, change in different cases in Arabic. When a feminine sound plural, jama, muannas salim, is in the nominative case, it ends with alif plus ta with dammatan, and ta marbuta will be removed from the end. Example is mumarridatun, nurses. Its singular is mumarridatun, a nurse. We remove ta marbuta from the end and we add alif plus ta with dammatan. So it becomes mumarridatun, nurses. Now let's see this feminine sound plural, jama muannas salim, in a sentence in a nominative case. Kharajat mumarridatun, nurses went out. Here, kharajat is the verb and mumarridatun is the subject of this sentence. That's why it is in the nominative case. When the feminine sound plural, jama muannas salim, is in the accusative or genitive case, it ends with alif plus ta with kasratan. And again, ta marbuta will be removed from the end. Example, za'iratin, visitors. Its singular is za'iratun, a visitor. We remove ta marbuta from the end and we add alif plus ta with kasratan. So it becomes za'iratin. Now let's see this feminine sound plural in the accusative case in a sentence. Da'utu za'iratin, I invited female visitors. Here, da'utu is subject plus verb and za'iratin is the object of this sentence. That's why it is in the accusative case. Genitive case example, marartu bimuhandisatin, I passed by female engineers. Here, marartu is subject plus verb. Be in this sentence is a preposition and muhandisatin is in the genitive case because of be preposition.